This is the best way to cook a sweet potato, guys. That's right, rolling it into paper towel. This tip is amazing. So for this recipe, let's start by rolling a sweet potato into paper towel and put some water in it, okay? Not too much. And then with a fork, we're going to make little holes in it, okay? You will see that it will cook so easy in the microwave oven for just 12 minutes, okay? If I just tell you, you won't believe it. So that's why I'm here showing you guys how to prepare a recipe with sweet potato for just 12 minutes. Take it to the microwave oven, and when you take it out, it will be a little bit hot, okay? So be very careful with that. Now let's peel it off. Won't use the peel, and as it is cooked, it's easier to peel it off. Then let's slice it, and here you can see how soft it is and how cooked it is. Now in a bowl, we are going to smash this potato very well, okay? Do you want an easier thing than this, guys? Seriously, it's the best thing ever. After that, we are going to add 3 eggs inside of it, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of oil. And now let's mix everything very well. Beat it, okay, until it's all homogeneous. I added a pinch of salt and 300 grams of powdered milk. It's gonna turn into this batter, as you can see, okay, guys? This little dough, actually. We're not gonna use flour here, so you can see that it's healthier. Now with your hands, with your greasy hands, we are going to shape it, okay? You can do it the way you want. I made it like this, just don't make it too big. And then I go putting it in a form, okay? Don't forget to tell us what city you're watching this recipe from so I can send you that special hug. Now let's take it to the preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes, or until you see that it's brown like this on the video, okay? It's already on the right texture. And look at this wonder, guys. It's a great option for your breakfast or afternoon snack. For those who can't eat flour, this is a very good option. Super healthy, made with sweet potatoes. And guys, the powdered milk gives a very special taste to it. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it.